I mean, in terms of Etsy Kings, so inside of Etsy Kings, which is my private course, program, whatever, we talk about different niches, right? We talk about things that I have never mentioned publicly. There's literally a bunch of niches in there right now, like 10 niches that I've never talked about publicly. And also to those guys, I give extra niches if they DM me and they're like, oh, this didn't work. Can you give me some extra help? So obviously give them extra niches that I never talk about publicly. And in regards to jewelry and also the clothing side of things, these are massive niches. So how many people are on this live? A lot of people don't understand how few people actually take action when 1,000 people view it. Most of the people in general just don't take action. They give up, right? Most people just do something or a little bit, it doesn't work crazy well and they give up. Or maybe it works a little bit well and they get addicted to it and then they think they're sick and then they go do something else and it doesn't work. So most people actually don't take action, for one. But then also the second point, which is the more important point, to be honest, it's massive. Like, these niches are massive. You forget there's millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of products on the Etsy platform. So me personally, I've seen an uptick in the entire platform. Competition is not a problem, basically. Competition is not a problem. There's literally millions of people, and majority of people don't take action. That's what I want you to think about. That's what I want you to think about. And obviously within my program, again, as I say, like, the people that actually take serious action, the people that are actually on it, are in Etsy Kings, right? There's 400 members now, 430 something members. And those people actually take action, but those are spread out across loads of different niches. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.